Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can call your friends or basically message your friend on your Discord via mobile phone app. At the moment I'm running iPhone. So first option here is just direct message where you just pick your friend or find a new conversation. But in this case we want to go to Mana Bar and we want to write something to him. That's the easiest way. As you can see on your top corner of on the top side of your iPhone, there's this small phone icon. That's the one way how you can do it. Or also on the bottom corner, there's this little guy next to Discord icon. You press on it, and there's a shortcut to basically call your friends. As you can see, next to name on the right side, there's this phone icon and also message icon. It's completely easy. You just can't go wrong with this one. Either way, it will work. Once again, thanks for watching.